Sheikh, how do you interpret the hadith in Sunan Ibn Majah, in which Mother Aisha narrates that at the time of Prophet's death, when people were busy with his funeral, there was a written sheet in her house containing verses about stoning and about an adult being breastfed 10 times to establish foster relationship, and that a sheep came and ate that paper. Some non-believers use this narration to claim that the Quran is not preserved because those verses are not in the Quran today. How do you scholars explain this?
Ya akhi, this hadith, any student of knowledge in school would tell you the meaning of it. In the Quran, Allah says, ما ننسخ من آية أو ننسها نأتي بخير منها أو مثلها ألم تعلم أن الله على كل شيء قدير. Whenever we abrogate a verse or make you, Muhammad, forget it, we will replace it with similar to it or better. Allah is the one who's telling us He may abrogate verses of the Quran. An abrogation can be physical, meaning that the ayah was in the Quran and Allah Azza wa Jal abrogated it and took it away. Now, the Quran we have, it's not there anymore. So physically it's gone, but the ruling stays. And the ruling is, number one, the stoning of an adulterer. The ruling is still in there. The ayah was abrogated, taken physically. And that the suckling of a child below the age of 2 years has to be 10. This was abrogated into 5. This ayah was abrogated physically, and also the ruling was abrogated. So physically, from 10 to 5, it's taken. From 5 nowadays is also taken, but the ruling stays. So the 10 sucklings, this was abrogated physically and the ruling as well. And there are many things that the director is telling me the time is up. So in a nutshell, children know the rulings, akhi. The verses were abrogated. So what was written was only the ruling on a piece of paper. A sheep that comes and eats it, so what? The knowledge is in the chests of people. The Quran is in the chest of people. We can write the same copy of the Quran overnight, all over the world. And it is not distorted, and it's not interrupted, and it's not altered or changed for the past 15 centuries, no matter what they say and no matter what they try.